It says Simon bought a house at the beginning of 2018. Okay.
Yeah.
In 2018, he bought a house. Let's say the price of the house is X pounds. Okay.
Yeah.
And then the value of the Simon's house was decreased by 15% by the end of 2018. Okay. So by the end of 2018, it is decreased by 15%. Okay. It's a decrease by 15%. This is end of 2018.
Yeah.
The house increased in value during both 2019 and 2020. The percentage increase in the value of the house during 2019 and 2020 are same. Okay, let's say they were increased by Y%, okay? When in 2019, also in 2020, right? And then
Yeah.
increased by Y% in 2020.
Yeah.
And the value of the Simon house at the end of 2020 was 2.85. And by the end of this, you will get some value, right?
Yeah.
And that value is equal to 2.85 greater than the amount he paid for his house during the beginning of 2018. So let's say this is X pounds. So this must be 2.85% more. More means when we say 10% more, it means we multiplied with 1.10. If we say 15% more, we multiply it with 1.15, right?
Yeah.
In the same way, we'll multiply this X with 1.0285, right?
Yeah.
So what we need to do is we have to find this value. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay, let's find the value. By the end of 2018, the amount was decreased by 15%, which means the amount now is how much? 0.85x, right?
Right. Yeah.
And then this is by the end of 2019, it is increased by Y%. So increased by Y% means 0.85x 1 plus y by 100, or you could have written as Y% also, but percent is 1 by 100, so I'm writing it like this. This is the value by the end of 2019, right?
Wait, why is it 1 plus 1 y over 100? Not just y over 100.
Because the value of y you don't know. Otherwise, I would have written it like 1.10, 1.20, 1.25.
Yeah.
But the thing is, for example, when I say 10% increase, basically, if I say the initial price was X and there is a 10% increase, so we generally multiply it with 1.10. Why? It's not actually 1.10. It's actually X 1 plus 10 by 100. 10% increase. So when you cancel it out, sorry, right? So you
Yeah.
get 1 by 10, which is 0.1. And that is why you get like 1 plus 0.1, which is 1.1 times X. And then we directly say, oh, it's 1.1. But in
Yeah.
this case, you don't know why. So I
Yeah.
can't directly write it. If
Yeah.
let's say if I know something like y is 10, 15, 20, then I would have directly written it. But as I don't know it, so I have to write it in the original form, right?
Yeah.
So this is by the end of 2019. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, what will happen by the end of 2020? Now, this is the price. In 2019, this is the price. On this price, I'm getting again Y% increase. First,
Yeah.
on this price, I got a Y% increase. Then I get this price, 2019 price. Then on this, I'm getting Y% increase. So again, 0.85x 1 plus y by 100. And Y% increase of this means, again,
Yeah.
right? This makes sense, right? This is by 2020, which means 0.85x times 1 plus y by 100 square.
Yeah.
So this is the value, and this value that we are getting should be equal to x times 1.0285, right?
Yeah.
This should be equals to 1.0285x, right?
Yeah.
Good. Solve this. X and x will get cancelled out. You will get 1 plus y by 100 square equals to 1.0285. Tell me the value.
Of y.
No, this value.
Am I allowed to use a calculator, or should I work it without?
Yeah, you have to use the calculator. It's a calculator question.
So 1.21.
1.21. Very good. Which implies that 1 plus y by 100 is equals to under root 1.21.
1.4.
Which is?
Yeah.
If you subtract 1, what you will get? Y by 100 equals to 0.1. And it implies that y is equals to 10. So your answer is, during 2019 and 2020, there is a 10% increase.
Right.